All right, back at it. Gonna show you real quick how to clean this machine out. If the tank is full of water on the bottom and you need to drain the water, the drain's down here at the bottom. Turn it 90 degrees and it drains underneath into the floor drain. After it's drained, you can open up the door all the way. You can pull this out. This will just be put on the floor out of the way. Then we need to take this round table out. Just pull straight up, it comes out. And then we got this tray here. This only comes in and out one way, so you can't put it in the wrong way. This comes out as well. This takes a little more effort sometimes to get in and out. Once you get to this point, your water's draining. As you can see in here, there's a lot of nasty stuff floating in the suds of the soap. But what we can do from here is we can bring the hose in here and kind of just give this a little spray down. So give it a little spray down. It's still draining. You can grab a towel. And you can kind of wipe down all the surfaces on the inside to get all the dirty stuff out of there. In the bottom right corner of this, there is a grate that kind of filters the stuff that's draining out, and sometimes it gets blocked, so you may have to pull stuff out of there. Like this would have gotten stuck on there. But you may have dirt, grass, mud, all kinds of stuff stuck in here. It's all the way in the bottom corner. I don't feel anything right now. It feels like it's all clear. The water's all draining out. So what we would do is we would make sure we get that bottom part of this tub all rinsed out as well. This is the first time I've done this, but the amount of dirt in here is actually pretty crazy. So make sure you rinse it out good, wipe it down real good. Okay. Once you're done rinsing and wiping it down, you just have to reassemble it. So this goes back in. Like I said, it can only go in one way and out one way. Sits right in like that. This will go back in. This has to be seated correctly. Just kind of spin it till it goes down, make sure it's in there. And lastly, you put your tray back in whatever configuration you want. Wash whatever you want. And so this is ready. This is going to be clean and ready to go. So the next person that uses this, since it's empty, we want to turn these sinks on, heat up the water, choose whatever they're washing, which is a 6 or an 8 minute cycle. Choose it, double tap start to get this machine going. Door has to be closed, hit double tap start, and then at that time it'll start filling with the hot water because you were just running hot water in these sinks. So it'll take less time for this whole thing to heat up, and then your cycle will start. And when it's done, it'll say end, and then you know whatever you're washing is done washing. There are a couple of things to note. You may get some error codes on there. There are some error codes printed on the side. E109, but the door switch is not completely shut. There's a few more on there, but if you see an E or an error code, you can check the side sticker to see what the error is. Other than that, pretty simple and easy to use. And I'm sure Johnny P will have a little more information for you.